Meaning of depilatory.
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 Depilatory. The term depilatory refers to a product or treatment that is used to remove hair from the skin surface. Depilatory products work by breaking down the protein structure of the hair, resulting in the hair becoming weak and easy to remove. These products can come in various forms, such as creams, lotions or waxes, and are generally applied to the area where hair removal is desired. Once the product has been left on for a specified amount of time, the area is wiped or washed clean, leaving the skin smooth and hair-free.